What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button as always. And I'm here in Toronto, very humid by the way, and in this forest, a lot of mosquitoes, but this jacket is suitable for this weather. And I'll tell you guys about what I think about it. And honestly, it's been very controversial, especially given the fact that this is a coach jacket. A lot of people are deeming this to be 2 years ago, but man, this is something you gotta have in your collection. It's very clean, and in person, I was very, very surprised. So I love this piece. We'll talk a bit about the logistics and how it dropped. Week 16 of spring summer retailed around 248 US, so I paid around 320 Canadian, and honestly, well worth it. So we'll get into the actual details and a bit about the branding right off the bat. So given that, we do have the Supreme North Face actual patches on the right sleeve, which is typical with any collab jacket that they've done. This is stitched, which is really nice. Opposed to that, we also have it on the back in a big North Face, actually just screen printed on the back of the jacket, which is also nice. Adding to that, we also have it on the left part of the chest in a very small coin-sized logo. Apart from that branding, we don't really have anything else. I did find that there was a North Face actually etched on the buttons, which is a really nice touch. Little details like this really make me feel like it was worth my buck. More about the jacket and with its functionality. It does have two pockets on the left and right. They're pretty big. I was able to fit my phone easily. Other than that, we do have the actual drawstrings, which is found in many coach jackets. You can pull and tie it up whichever how you please, depending on what you're wearing. More about the jacket and actual wearability. As I mentioned, this is very light. So if you're looking to wear this in the summer, it's definitely suitable for that on those cold summer nights. Even for a day like today, it is not breathable by any means. So keep that in mind. If you're gonna be wearing this in something that's really hot, you're definitely gonna sweat it out. I found that the hard way. It's tape seam, so it's sealed to the T. So keep that in mind. Let me know what you guys think. I'm wearing this with a pair of 500s, jeans, and a white tee. I feel like this is a statement piece, so you should wear this with just plain, clean clothes. So leaving this here, leave that comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.
This is wrong, but I need